Now, when it comes to formatting figures, often you do not need a chart or figure title here at the top. The description or the title of this figure will actually be given as a figure caption down at the bottom that you'll add later when you create your report or your article. So by default, Microsoft Excel likes to put chart titles and legends in there. You may want to keep a legend, but you only need a legend if you've got multiple items on a figure and you need like a key to kind of help you make sense of it. But since this is a really simple figure, we don't need a legend. So how can we get rid of this chart title and the legend? So first we can select on it. And we might be able to do it. Yeah. So you could get to remove this chart title and legend just by clicking this little plus box that kind of shows up once you select the figure. And you can turn off chart title and you can turn off the legend. Now, legend was already turned off for me, and I could just turn the chart title off by just clicking on it like that, or I can turn it back on like so. This is a relatively new feature, and it doesn't really have everything. It has common chart elements. If you want to have a lot more control over your figures, instead of using this chart elements button here off to the side, you can go up to chart design up here as a menu item. And if you look at the toolbar ribbon on the far left, it says add chart element. And if you click that and you go to chart title, you can put the chart title above, which is what is currently selected. You can put it down below, or there's more options about where to put it, or you can just simply click none. And notice you've got a lot more options available to you here, for trend lines, legend, where to put it, where to put access titles, that kind of thing. You've got more options here than you do here under chart elements. So I prefer to use this add chart element up here in the ribbon under chart design. So I'm going to go here and go to chart title and choose none. And I already don't have a legend, so that's good. So again, to get this add chart element, you want to click on chart design. Now you'll notice, keep your eye on chart design. If I click off this figure, those menu options disappear. So you will not see chart design until you've actually selected a chart. So now keep your eyes up here as I come down and I click on the chart again. Now chart design shows up and I can click that and it gives me new ribbon options. And the first ribbon option is add chart element, and it gives me access to this.